What up, though? I am back with another video. Yeah, so y'all know that I've been listening to a lot of acapella stuff. Thanks to you pointing me in the right direction. So this one, a nice little quick one. Uh this is going to be Maytree, Nintendo sound effects. I never really heard anybody do sound effects other than voice play when they did it in different stuff, but that's neither here nor there. But we're doing this right now. So let's see, because I have never heard of them before. So, boom, here we go. Okay. Okay, really quick in the comments. Still of you? I mean, saddle of you? Satel of you? I remember saying that as a kid, but I don't remember ever dealing with it. So if y'all had a Satel of you, put that in the comments. Put your favorite game in the comments. If you never saw that, call them a bold-faced lie, even though it's apparently real. Because, here in America, even if we see it, sometimes we don't believe it. So you call them a bold-faced lie. But if you had it, please put in the comments. What was your favorite game on there? Because I've never had it. Sorry. We're going to get back to that. One of the greatest consoles that has ever been made. Greatest console. That was awesome. Wow. God, that caught me off guard. I was not prepared for that. I can't even do it. That was just fucking funny and awesome. We gonna do that again. So here we go. I know nothing about a Wii U. Wow. Know nothing about a Nintendo Switch. And there we have it. That was awesome. That was funny. That was quick. So efficient. I didn't even have time to just bask in the old stuff. And it kind of hit me at the very beginning that because where they're from, some of the stuff that we had growing up was just a little bit different, but all of it was still familiar in one regards or another. But Maytree, that that was awesome. Please enjoy. Oh, this video is unofficially sponsored, even though I'm sponsoring Old Smoky with my purchases. This again is salty watermelon. If you haven't seen the drum yo video, you haven't seen this. Something to my eye. But please also check out the mug. I got one. Yay! This is me. This is Late Bloomers. This is from the B Legendary line. Um, you can see it down in at the bottom where you can shop if you would like to purchase. Everything that you spend goes to supporting this channel. I'm not really much of a advertiser. I'll leave that to my wife. But because everything keeps getting demonetized or copyright struck, uh, I'll ask. and you don't have to support. I'm going to keep doing the videos until I go completely broke. But I'm joking. I ain't never going broke. NBA young boy, never broke again. Well, NBA old guy, because I'm old as shit. NBA old guy, never broke again. I've been there before, never gonna happen again. But whatever you do support, whatever you do give, it is much appreciated. It is going to go to the channel. It is going to help. So whatever you give, whether it's a tip or whatever, cool. There's some videos that are so demonetized that they blocked it from my page. I am going to start putting those on my YouTube, not my YouTube, on my Twitter or my X. So I'm gonna have my X videos. Hey, so no, but I'm gonna have videos on X. So you're gonna see some reactions that are old. So the camera is bad as when I didn't have a lot of knowledge. You're going to see videos that you haven't seen before. You're probably going to see some videos. So some videos that you have seen before. So please, Lay Bloomer Audi is on Twitter. Probably also gonna, well, I'm not gonna put it on Instagram, but X is going to be where it's all at. Also, if there's things that you want to for me to react to, post in the comments. Eventually, I'll create a document where you can post reaction videos, where or suggestions, where you can do that, and yeah, I'll go through all of that once that's up. But in yeah, yeah, mess that up. But until then, put it in the comments what you would like for me to react to. I'm stepping away a little bit from music because it is just so hard to get any of that out. So if there's something that you find funny that you want me to see, something that you find interesting, just put it in the comments. I'll definitely get to it. But with that said, until next time, peace. Love you.